In this video, I'll guide you through creating a DIY laser security alarm using simple components like a laser light, light-dependent resistor, and general-purpose transistors. This easy-to-build security system has a range of up to 15 feet, offering an affordable solution to safeguard your home from intruders. You'll learn how to assemble the circuit on a PCB, and the circuit diagram will be shown near the end of the video. Want the full project details in a PDF file? Comment, provide me the PDF, and I'll share the link with you. This DIY laser alarm offers a reliable and cost-effective way to protect your home by creating a virtual security barrier. When the laser beam is interrupted, the alarm is triggered, alerting you to potential intruders. No prior electronics experience is required. This beginner-friendly project is perfect for both novices and seasoned DIY enthusiasts. You can expand the system to cover different areas, and the process encourages creativity as you explore enhancements. Overall, it's a cost-effective, flexible, and educational approach to improving home security. Although this project is demonstrated on a PCB, you can also assemble it on a zero board if you prefer. We have created the same project using a zero board in a separate video. You can find the link to that video in the description below. Now, let's test our laser security alarm by powering up both the circuit and the laser light. Direct the laser beam precisely onto the LDR for optimal alignment and functionality. To prevent false alarms from other light sources, it's recommended to enclose the LDR in a casing. A simple solution is to place the LDR inside a 4-inch PVC pipe. This setup blocks unwanted light, ensuring the sensor only responds to the laser beam, minimizing errors in the alarm system. Ready to build your own DIY laser security alarm? Hit that subscribe button for more exciting projects, and don't forget to like and share this video. Drop a comment if you have questions, and check the description for additional